Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be a very helpful video guys for any of you guys that have a BMW 3 Series between year 2005 and year 2013. I'm talking about generation E90, E91, 92, 93. If you're guys trying to find where the switch guys for your radiator fan is located, the switch that tells okay the radiator fan to turn on and off, okay, because let's say the coolant in the radiator is already cooled, so it doesn't need to work, stay with us and we'll explain where that switch is located that activates and deactivates the fan. Now, before we start, let me introduce you to the channel. Every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 free repair videos. Specifically on this generation BMW 3 Series, we'll have more than guys 400 to 500 videos. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video so we can keep providing that free information. If you need to buy a new switch, radiator fan, replacement parts, tools, check out the links in the description of the video below. We'll share guys where we get all our tools and parts from. So this is it right here. We also have another electrical channel. It's called Electrical Car Repair Live. You can find many electrical videos on that BMW, diagnostics and things like that, so check it out. Quite helpful information will be shared there as well guys. So this is your radiator fan. So you have a sensor that actually detects if the coolant by the radiator is still warm enough to for the fan to be on. And where is that sensor? Okay, with the front end of the car removed, I can easily show you, but you don't need to take your car apart. But we decided to make the video because I can easily show you. It is this lower radiator hose right here, the big one. You have two of them. One is on the lowest point, one is a little bit upper. This hose right here, if you look at it guys, you have one switch, one wiring harness. This is for the radiator fan switch guys, this switch right here. So if you need to disconnect the wire, press that metal clip, okay, pull it out. Now how you guys remove that sensor? You have to drain your cooling system. And we have the video on the channel how to drain the cooling system, but it's super important to actually bleed the cooling system after that, because there is a special procedure you have to follow on that BMW. Otherwise, if you have an air pocket in your engine, you can overheat it and you can say bye-bye to your engine guys. So once you drain the coolant, check out the video on the channel. You have two things that you need to squish towards each other like that. Wiggle it a little bit, okay, and that's your fan, auxiliary fan sensor switch guys, this one right here. Make sure okay that the new one comes with a new O-ring. You can develop a coolant leak from that sensor as well, but that's what's responsible for activating and deactivating your fan. So if you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. We will be more than glad to help you when we have a chance to. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more help and see you guys next time.